In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a site on Wix tutorial. If you need to take your website offline temporarily for a redesign, a rebrand, or just to pause new traffic, unpublishing is a safe way to hide it from visitors without deleting any of your work. Your content, pages, and settings remain saved in your account, and you can bring the site back online later with a single click. First, open your Wix website editor for the site you want to take offline. Make sure you're in the correct site if you manage more than one. Once the editor loads, look for the highlighted menu in the top bar. This is your site-level menu. Click it to access the key settings that control visibility. Next, click the highlighted Settings option to open the Settings panel. This is where Wix keeps important controls like domain, roles and permissions, and visibility. In that panel, find and click the highlighted section related to site visibility or site availability. Different layouts may label it slightly differently, but the highlighted area will point you in the right direction. Now click the highlighted Unpublish control. This might appear as an Unpublish button or a toggle that turns off the live status of your site. When you do this, Wix may show a prompt explaining that your site will no longer be available to visitors. Read it carefully so you understand the impact. Unpublishing won't delete your content or affect your editor access. It simply hides the live site. Go ahead and click the highlighted confirmation to proceed. This confirms that you want the site offline. At this point, the change is staged in the editor. To make sure the visibility update takes effect for visitors, click the highlighted Publish button. In Wix, publishing isn't just for content changes. It also applies visibility updates to your live site. Once the action completes, click Done on the confirmation dialog. To verify everything worked, visit your site's domain or preview link in a private browser window. You should see that the site is no longer publicly available. Keep in mind that search engines or caches might take a little time to reflect the change. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Unpublishing does not cancel any premium plans or domain subscriptions tied to the site. Those are managed separately in your billing settings. If you only want limited access rather than taking the site fully offline, consider setting up password protection on key pages instead. And when you're ready to go live again, simply return to the editor and click Publish to republish the site. That's it. Your Wix site is now unpublished and